The ResMed AirFit F40 is a full-face CPAP mask that combines comfort, simplicity, and effective performance. Learn how to disassemble and reassemble this mask in this video. To disassemble the mask, squeeze the side buttons on the elbow and detach it from the vent ring. Then, gently pull the cushion stud out of the frame stud hole and repeat on the other side. Next, pull the lower headgear straps away from the magnetic clips and undo the tabs on the upper headgear straps. To reassemble, use the Velcro tabs to insert the top headgear straps back into the mask frame. Then, place the cushion back using the studs and holes on each side as a guide. Reattach the bottom headgear straps and gently plug the short tube back in. Your mask is ready for use again. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. Call the CPAP shop if you have any questions.